Hello, dear final year students of B Pharmacy. Once again, I welcome you all in this online session of classes. So today, the topic which we have to do, that is multiple correlation of chapter number 4, which is correlation of unit number 1. So in this multiple correlation, we study the relationship between three or more variables as the name represents itself. Let us say z is a dependent variable and x and y both are independent variables. As we have seen that in this we study the relationship about three or more variables. Let us consider an example of three variables, and in that we have assumed that z is a dependent variable and x and y both are independent variables. See, so it is denoted as rz comma xy. In some of the books you can also see that rz dot xy, it is also like denoted as rz dot xy. Okay, so that denotes z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. Similarly here rz comma xy also denotes that z is a dependent variable on x and y. Okay, so its formula will be square the root of rxz square plus ryz square minus 2 into rxz into ryz into rxy whole upon 1 minus rxy square. Okay, how you will see here 30. See here, three zero-order coefficients of correlation are there. Those are Rxy, Ryz, and Rzx. See, as we can see that z is a dependent variable and x and y are independent variables, we will denote the relationship. We will express the relationship of z with x and z with y also. So Rzx or xz is same, and similarly Rzy. So square of this zero-order correlation coefficients, after that minus twice of multiplication of all the three zero-order correlation coefficients, that is rxz into ryz into rxy. Similarly, you can also find that ry dot zx and rx into x dot yz. Sorry. Now, a coefficient of multiple correlation lies between 0 and 1. If the value of multiple correlation is 1, then the correlation of variables is perfect, while if the value of multiple correlation is 0, then there is no correlation of variables. Sometimes the multiple correlation is defined as r1 dot 23 or 1 comma 23 is equals to r12 square plus r13 square minus 2 into r12 into r13 into r23 whole upon 1 minus r23 ka square. Now let's consider one example based on this multiple correlation. Consider R12 is equals to 0.86, R13 is equals to 0.71 and R23 is equals to 0.66 are the zero order coefficients of correlation. Find the multiple correlation coefficient. So that's the formula. R1 comma 23 is equals to square root of this whole zero order coefficients. This formula we have seen previously also. See, all the values are given to us. We have to just put the values in our formula. So here we have substituted the values 0.86 whole square plus 0.71 whole square, like all the values. You can find out the squares and multiply. So this is square root of 0.77. You very well know how to find out the square root, which doesn't has a perfect square root. That means this is not a perfect square number, so its square root will be in decimal fraction only, that is 0.88 approximately. So hence the multiple correlation coefficient is 0.88. So this is the topic which we have done today, multiple correlation. With this, our chapter number 4 correlation is over. So thank you and have a nice day.